How to share screen with audio on Messenger app. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily share screen with audio on Messenger app. So if you're trying to share your screen on the Messenger in a video call, just follow these simple steps. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your Messenger app, and once you do that, you can open the chat where you want to share your screen and start a video call with them. So go ahead and tap on the video call icon at the top right. And once the video call starts, you just have to go ahead and wait for the person to pick up. So once the person picks up the call, what you need to do is tap on the call settings, and at the top right, you will see these three dots. Tap on it. And what this will do is bring out your call settings. Tap on call settings. And from here, you just have to choose your output device. And once you do so, just go ahead and choose your output audio. And from there, if you go back, you'll find this little icon at the bottom and just tap on it. From here, it will ask you for an option to start sharing your screen. Just tap on start sharing and tap on start now. And as you can see here, your screen is now being shared on the screen. So the other person on the line is able to see your screen. Now, once you do that, you can just go through your screen and share them with the audio as well. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.